IGCSE Computer Science Syllabus Statement 1.3.4e, and this is actuators. So in this video, we're actually going to see how they are applied to real-life scenarios. But anyway, if you remember from our the sensors video, we looked at microprocessors, sensors, analog to digital converters, digital to analog converters, and then we looked at actuators. So what is an actuator? Well, an actuator is an electromechanical device used to operate or control something. And they kind of look like this. So this is a motor, and this is a valve. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So an actuator, such as a motor, relay, or solenoid, is used in a controlling application. And when it's energized, an actuator can operate or control a system. So like a solenoid could be used to operate a plunger or control a fuel injection system. And a digital to analog converter is sometimes required to control an actuator. So a computer or microprocessor is connected with the actuator, and data sent to it will go through the digital to analog converter when being transmitted to the actuator. So we can remember from what we... Yeah, this guy is really going at it outside. Anyway, so we looked at sensors. So we looked at how the sensor sends signals to the microprocessor through an ADC if required. The microprocessor checks the sent values against stored values, and if something happens or if the value is out of range, then it can then send a signal to an actuator, so like a motor, for example, through a DAC to make it do something. So that's pretty much how actuators are used.